Polaris Ranger 800 won't start. This video describes the factory troubleshooting procedures for a Polaris Ranger 800 that will not start up and begin to work. It is recommended you download the complete factory repair manual before working on your Ranger 800. Go to 911manual.com to download the factory repair manual straight to your computer in seconds. When you get to the website, select the model and year, then download the manual. The repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. www.911manual.com, your #1 source for download Polaris Ranger 800 repair manuals.